Welcome to Malaysia, a country where vibrant cultures, mouth-watering food, and breathtaking nature collide. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through Malaysia's hidden gems, from the bustling city streets to serene natural wonders. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. One of the first things you'll notice in Malaysia is the incredible diversity of food. With influences from Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures, you're in for a serious treat. Let's start with a true Malaysian favorite, nasi lemak. The coconut rice, spicy sambal, and crispy anchovies, this is comfort food at its finest. You have to try this. Whether you're in the mood for savory, spicy, or sweet, Malaysia's food scene has it all. And don't miss out on a taste of the infamous durian. Love it or hate it, it's an experience. Malaysia is home to a fascinating blend of cultures and traditions. You'll find people from all walks of life, including Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous groups, each bringing their own customs and festivals to the table. From the grand temples of Penang to the vibrant colors of Little India, Malaysia's cultural diversity makes it one of the most unique countries in the world. Festivals here are a must-see, with lively parades, music, and food. Experiencing these festivals gives you a real sense of the unity and diversity that make Malaysia so special. Now, if you're a nature lover, Malaysia has no shortage of beautiful landscapes to explore. We're here at Taman Negara, one of the world's oldest rainforests. From trekking through lush jungles to spotting exotic wildlife, it's a nature lover's paradise. Malaysia is also home to some of the world's most stunning islands. Places like the Pristine Islands and Langkawi offer crystal clear waters, incredible diving spots, and picture-perfect beaches. If you're looking for relaxation or adventure, Malaysia's islands have it all. Whether you want to snorkel, dive, or just chill on a white sandy beach, it's a slice of paradise. And of course, you can't visit Malaysia without experiencing the energy of its cities. Kuala Lumpur is a mix of modern skyscrapers and traditional markets, all coming alive when the sun sets. Head to the night markets for some of the best local snacks, souvenirs, and street performances. The hustle and bustle of these markets are a must-see. Malaysia truly has something for everyone, whether you're a foodie, a culture enthusiast, or a nature lover. If you're planning a trip to Southeast Asia, don't miss out on this incredible country. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Malaysia's hidden gems. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.